Good morning children. Today we are going to learn a golden word, a color and a new shape. So let's start with the golden word. The golden word is thank you. If someone gives you something, you should say thank you. If your friends, relatives help you, you should say thank you. Keep a habit of saying thank you if someone helps you. Now we are going to learn a new shape. The shape is rectangle. How will we make a rectangle? Make a slipping line, leave some space and again make a slipping line. Join both the slipping lines by making standing lines. Makes rectangle. Which shape is this? This is rectangle. A rectangle has four sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And its opposite sides are equal. Now tell me, what is this? This is a register. And a register is rectangle in shape. Both the sides are equal. Its opposite sides are equal to each other. This is a book and this book is in the shape of rectangle. This is a remote and this remote is also in the shape of rectangle. Search more things at your home in the shape of rectangle. Now tell me, what is this? This is a duck. What is this? This is a marker.